Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your email address in Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings option once again. Click on Personal Details option. Go to Contact Info and click on your email address. Click on Delete Email Address option. Click on the Delete option. Here you'll have to enter your password. If you do not remember your password, then you can click on Forgotten Password link. Then click on Continue button. And that is how you can delete your email address in Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.